What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are at Cleetus Cars once again. Undoubtedly the most exciting event of the year. We come here twice a year to bring you guys another video. We're going to see some burnouts in the burnout pit today, and we're actually going to run the G8 on the track. I've never ran it before. It's going to be a first, so we're probably looking at 12s,
maybe 13s.
Maybe 13s. I don't know. We're gonna find out. It'll be my first time running on the track. This car was built for road racing, but today we're gonna put it on a track and see what it does. So,
okay, guys. So we already got it teched into. We got our number on the side, 695, with the numbers on the side. So we did get teched in. We're hoping to get this thing in 12, maybe 13s. It depends. But yeah, so we're here with Cleetus and everybody else here. They're over there, and then Zane and a whole bunch of other cars over here. So we're gonna go ahead and walk around and do some stuff. That two-step though, we got Bullet WS6 here. Boosted boys. But yeah, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get some content for you guys. Check this one out. It's gonna be a banger.
Yeah, let's do it.
Wait, hold on, I got a message.
Okay, there we go. That's what I'm talking about.
1, 2, 3. Got it.
Hell yeah, guys. Thanks so
Appreciate
much.
Our intro last year was. Okay, guys, now that you see that, we actually just met
Cleetus
McFarland. So we're gonna head back to the car. Also, guy, we're gonna see if we can sign the dash in the G8. Some of y'all probably think that's stupid, but I don't. So yeah, so we're gonna head back to the car right now and then eat, grab a bite to eat, and then it'll be around 3:30 to run that car. So we're gonna go ahead, head to the G8, get a bite to eat, and then we'll get it started. Oh wait, they're already running. What?
So it's
Okay,
2:30.
sweet, yeah. So we're gonna get started. I'll catch you guys then. Okay, guys, we're in the staging lanes with tons of other cars. I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm gonna keep talking, but come check this UTE. Dude, this thing, you'll never see these. These things are hard. Dude. Wow. Look at that. It's got an LS1. Guys, check out this Firehawk. Look at that Mustang though. Check this out. Time could drop a lot more.
Yeah.
But you just gotta be,
Like,
now that you know that what it's like.
I wasn't ready at all.
But now that you know what it was, so that time is definitely gonna go down from now on. It's never gonna go back up.
Let me know when you're ready.
Go ahead.
Go.
Check that out. That thing is awesome. It's got a stroker motor. It's the LS3, so I think it's gonna be a 408 stroker. So this thing is freaking awesome. He's getting suited and booted at it. And they're about to get it.
Guys, Cleetus is gonna sign on a car.
That's 100 horsepower.
Hey, hell yeah.
150.
He signed it on that silver part.
I'll let you sign my hood.
You think James and Cooper would sign it?
You have to hunt them down.
All right.
There you go, guys.
Appreciate you, brother.
Yep. Thank you, guys. Thanks for coming.
Yes,
Hope you had
sir.
a good time.
Yes,
See you next time,
enjoyed
brother.
it. Enjoyed it. We're gonna have to come out to Florida and visit Freedom Factory.
Soon.
Yeah.
Guys, Cleetus McFarland just signed the dash from RG. Dope that. He sat in it. That 5.3, you got the motor in it.
I need to get a screwdriver, so let me go sign this for you real quick.
Appreciate you.
Oh, we gotta get it.
I don't have a Sharpie. Cleetus has one.
Let's do one off that.
Yeah. Appreciate you, brother. Yeah. Because it's a silver strip on the dash.
But then I'm not gonna have.
How's the 240?
Sitting, waiting
Waiting.
to go racing. Yeah,
Right?
a couple races in March. Some no time stuff coming up in March. So
Yeah, we're gonna have to come out to Florida and visit you guys at the Freedom Factory.
plan a trip for November to come down for the grand finale. It's going to be huge. It's going to be a 2-day event, and the burnout stuff's going to be at the Freedom Factory.
Sweet.
So if you want to plan a Florida trip, plan it around then.
Okay.
You know.
All right.
We'll catch y'all later.
Brother,
Dipping out.
it's
That's
been
right.
fun.
James, nice seeing you again. Man, y'all be safe. We'll see y'all later. Hell yeah.
Yeah, y'all be safe on your
Oh,
trip.
I know, right?
They're going
Hey,
to Mexico.
you better get him to sign it. That way
He
it
did.
don't break
He
anytime
did.
soon. That's right.
He
If I signed it too much, I was going to start breaking ankles.
Well, it'll hold up nitrous. So
Hey,
man.
Caleb.
pour it to it, ain't it?
Right? Hey, man, good event, like I said. Good,
Yeah,
good
thanks
stuff,
for coming
man.
out,
Y'all be
man.
safe. No problem.
Same here.
We'll catch y'all later. Sorry,
right.
my hands are clammy, but
No,
it's
you're good.
I'm not used to this humidity down here.
It's
you know?
Texas, bro.
Well, and of course it's actually cold for us.
Yeah.
So.
You're from up north, so.
Yeah, it was dry. And,
Yeah.
yeah. We'll see y'all later, though.
All righty.
Yeah, plan it, dude.
Yeah, we will. November.
November's going to be huge.
Before Thanksgiving, huh?
I think it's the weekend before, the weekend after.
Okay. So just plan around Thanksgiving. That'd be perfect.
Yeah, Thanksgiving, fly out that night or the next morning.
Hell
go
yeah.
down.
We're just trying to grow our YouTube channel.
Yeah,
We'll get his
Watch.
weekend. We get there, just stay dedicated to it, you know.
Trying to.
Post what you can.
I've got a Camaro. I've got a Fortune. I'm gonna spray it with the Hunter shot.
100, that's like what I've heard. Step it up.
Look, this ain't daddy's money over here.
Hey, you gotta start somewhere, man.
Right.
Good hobby to have. Keep you out of trouble.
Yeah, it is.
What kept me out of trouble. Didn't have no money to do nothing else.
I know,
All
that's
went to
right.
The damn cars.
Yeah.
Go
No
do some
doubt.
awesome crap. No, really do.
I mean, honestly, we do it because, I mean, it's fun for us, but really just a...
Whenever y'all get
See
the
everyone's
Freedom
reaction.
Factory going, are y'all gonna cancel these?
No, we're still gonna, we're trying to, I mean, we picked up Indy this year, so we're doing our first trial run at Indy this year.
Oh, nice.
If they like it and they allow it, then we'll have Indy on the roster. We're trying to get to, we're trying to grow Cleetus Cars to the point where it's like all we do is just Cleetus Cars everywhere.
That'd be awesome.
And then eventually we would like it to turn, instead of it being like spectator, like instead of it being like people bringing their cars in to compete with us, that'd just be a bunch of YouTubers that put on a show, and you just come, you buy a ticket, you come, you sit down, and it'll be, you know, in like an arena style, like Raymond James down south and all that stuff.
Right.
They'll sit in the seat, eat popcorn, drink a Coke, you know, have a hot dog while you just see this 3-4 hour show be put on in
That'd
front
be
of you.
awesome.
And then afterwards do the meet and greet stuff there. That's the end goal of how big
That
That
would be
and I
awesome.
didn't know that one.
Yeah, them guys at Project Prime, they kill it.
They used to use 6 meters.
Yeah. Yeah, them guys at Project Prime, they're local to us. And they,
That was.
Yeah, they do awesome
I
job.
called him in the middle of the night, like, you gotta watch
you
this.
follow them on social media at all?
will.
Project Prime? Yeah, it's Project and then Prime with 2 I's. They follow them on Instagram, and they went on and started posting a bunch of other live action from that day of filming that wasn't in that video.
Should have did that soon as, so
It's awesome.
We get to making some money. I'll have to get them to do some editing for us.
Yeah, they're awesome.
cranked it over. It was hydro locking the ride.
Project.
Was it while you're driving?
Prime.
Prime.
I'll do 110 on my
R-I-I-N.
I know.
Yeah, it is.
Follow them. Then you go through there. If you go through there and look, I mean, it's just recent. They started.
He's gonna sign the UT.
This is all from that
The
day.
Galaxy.
Yeah,
Hey, Garrett, you need that in your life, man.
Like
How
it's
did he
good
get that
place.
build truck? Y'all build that?
No, someone else did. Someone bought it, no motor, put an LS1 and a 256 in it out of the Camaro, and was getting rid of it and reached out to him like, hey, you got first dibs. This is for sale. You want it or not?
Sweet.
He
That's
got in the truck and trailer and went.
See you, James.
Thank you, James. Appreciate it, brother.
We see you in November.
Okay, yeah.
It's a nice car, man. That was a nice thing.
Let me tell you a story about it. I did all the loading to get here.
It didn't have a V8 to start with, so.
I like that thing.
Thank you.
We're gonna try to come to Florida and see you guys in November.
Do it.
James was telling us about that event y'all are gonna have.
It's gonna be awesome.
So
It's gonna be awesome.
We should definitely try to make it down there.
yeah.
All right, guys, I'm gonna load up.
All right, man.
Appreciate you guys
Cooper.
coming out. Thanks for coming out. No,
Thank
you're
you.
good.
It's all right.
They just all signed up. Dude, we just got everything.
All right, guys. So that's a wrap for Cleetus and Cars, February of 2020. It was a blast. He had so much fun. Cleetus and Cooper and James all signed the G8. Awesome. And we got invited to go to the Freedom Factory in November.
Why would you tell them? No, we're cutting that out. Y'all ain't seen that. But anyways, back to the channel.
Cleetus Cars 2020 first one of the year. We bogged deep, we let her eat. Thanks for watching. Do it for Dale. See you later.